Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. This video is all about, hang on a minute, let's give this camera a wipe. Is that better? Yeah, it's all about this brand new Ford Ranger Raptor we've got in. Delivery miles, brand new, not that you can say because obviously the number plate's covered up for this video, but it is a brand new one. Absolute beast. These Raptors look really cool. I'm not quite sure which is nicer, this or the MSRT version, but it's all down to personal opinion. Came with most things, what it didn't have was a dash cam. So the customer wanted to have protection whilst driving and also protection whilst parked up, because these can actually act as CCTV when you spec them the right way. You can't just put any old camera and expect to record whilst parked up. That's just not how it works on a 12-volt battery. Now the Thinkware we have installed in this, which is the U3000 model, that's the front and rear. I'll show you the actual cameras shortly. And what we've also fitted is the Thinkware iVolt Mini, the additional external battery to allow this camera to be recording whilst parked up for an extended period of time. Now I'm going to quickly show you the cameras fitted. Nice and neat. You got the camera there mounted left of the housing, cable wrapped in nice braided snakeskin sleeving. I don't know if I'll be able to get close enough to actually focus on it because this camera doesn't like dark areas. But that's the camera mounted at the front, nice and neat. And then you've got the camera mounted at the very back of it, just like there. Poking. Oh, there you go, just out of there. Camera's lead obviously runs behind the scenes out of sight. You've then got the battery, which if I crawl inside and actually go under the seat here with the torch on, it is that device just there. Nice and neat. Excuse the rustling, but I am just leaning over to do this. That is the battery fitted, hidden underneath the driver's seat. That will charge whilst you're driving your vehicle. But it does mean this camera could potentially record for up to about a week, maybe a little bit longer on radar mode, subject to how much activity the vehicle picks up. Parking mode on other cameras do not work as well as radar technology. Okay, they either cause issues to your car battery and electrical systems, reducing the battery life by nearly half, or they'll just simply flatten your car battery, or they're not going to record for very long before the dash cam will automatically turn themselves off to protect it. Whereas this, with the battery, means you could get potentially a week, meaning you go away, some idiot hits your car and drives off, at least you're going to have the proof of it because your camera's still recording 3 days after you park it there. But yeah, this is a Thinkware U3000. This is probably the best camera available right now. We are almost December 2025. And this is a brand new Ford Ranger Raptor. My name is Connor, as always. We'll see you soon. See you later.